Hello everyone and welcome to this new video of iPhone 12 Pro 256GB unboxing. So let's start. This is the parcel. I just received it today. So I'm gonna take out all things out and show it to you. I ordered it through O2. So let's see. That's the iPhone 12 Pro. That's the box casing all in front of you. 5G SIM network with it. And the third thing is iPhone 12 Pro silicone case. The fourth thing is the Anchor phone-sized mount clip. It's basically wireless charging port with it. I'm gonna go through it one by one. First, the price of it. This silicone iPhone 12 Pro case is around £50, and it's made and designed by Apple. The next one is the Anchor, the wireless charging case. So I'm gonna now unbox it, each single item one by one. Let's start with the phone first. Starting with phone first. Let's see. It's pretty light. Wonderful. Looks amazing. Okay. That's the phone. Let me just put that part away from you. Looks stunning. So let's see what else we have in the box. Apart from the phone thing, we got the lightning cable. Yeah, this one lightning cable. Then this white part design. You through this MAGSAFE silicone case, iPhone 12 Pro silicone case, the MAGSAFE one. Okay. That looks pretty cool. That's graphite one in black color, MAGSAFE black color case. Let me put that in this phone. Fits in very well. Looks really immaculate with this MAGSAFE Apple case. What we have inside it, nothing inside it. That's the casing. Goes on there, fits in very well. Good casing. So I highly recommend it. It looks classy. Doesn't cover anything from the screen as well. On the screen as well. This charging one, the Anchor one, the charging one, it costs around £20. That's the one casing. And you get a cable with it as well. What you need to do, you need to plug this in this one. Like that. And then you just place the phone on the top of it. So Apple doesn't provide you with any other accessories. Catherine stocks, and now I'm gonna film the Tower Bridge with iPhone 12 Pro. Let's see the quality of iPhone 12 Pro video with me.
So guys, this is a very old pub in London in St. Catherine Docks. I think it's 500 years old, or maybe 1,000, I really don't know. And I just don't know what to say about it, you know, because I have never been in there. It's made of wood, they didn't use the nails and hammers.
So guys, this is 500 years old or 1,000 years old, I don't know, old pub here in London, just next to Tower Bridge.
Yeah.
What else would you like to know about it? I don't know.
So guys, we're done here today with the St. Catherine Docks, and now, along with Saad, we're heading towards the Parliament Squares, and yeah, we shall see you there shortly.
So guys, we are at London Eye right now with iPhone 12 Pro. This very famous place. How old it is, we don't know.
So guys, I spotted something right up there. You know, there are a few lights gone, and I don't know why they're not working, so they're just gone.
Guys, done for today. Heading home right now. We'll catch you guys later. Bye bye. Aja, bos.